back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup. So, I hope everyone's doing well in this crisis and, you know, staying well and not getting too bored. So I just thought I'd do this, make everyone a little bit happy. So, first in my everyday makeup tutorial is this Autograph Luminosity Radiant Skin Primer. And I'm going to apply that all over my face. It just gives me a bit of a glow, you know. Right, perfect. Next step is my foundation. I'm getting out of my makeup bag, which is here. Right, so my foundation is the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 150. It's the Pro Filter one. So what I do with my foundation is I use this brush by Real Techniques. It's called the stippling brush. It's like this. And I just, because I like very natural coverage, I like squeeze it onto the brush like one little squirt, and then dab like over my face, and then I add more. Like if I need it, what I normally do. Why do I look so white? I normally do just because my face is always very red. So this is what I use this foundation for, just to cover up a bit of the red. I do love the foundation because it's very lightweight. I need a bit of extra on my nose at the moment because it's very red. I used a new face mask and I think that's what's made my skin so red. Must not use it again. Right, use a bit more on my forehead. Just to make me look even. Just a little rub in there. Rub it into the hairline. On the ears. Down the neck. Right, so that's foundation done. Next is concealer, and the concealer I'm going to be using is my NARS, oh that's the other way around, sorry, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, right? Now I just use my fingers to blend it in because otherwise it's too heavy, but to be honest, this is not my favourite concealer. I actually prefer drugstore one, L'Oreal, for my under eyes, to be honest. Like everywhere else, if I'm covering up spots, like I prefer this one. Like if I want to cover up anything else, I use this one, but under my eyes, because it's so like delicate. Right, so you're just blending that bit in with your fingers. I feel like it blends out easier with your fingers because, you know your face. And also you put less on, so you know you're saving product everywhere. And also especially if it's an expensive product, you want to be saving it as much as you can. Right, next I'm going to be using my RCMA, the original RCMA no colour powder to set my under eyes. And I'm going to be using this brush from Real Techniques. It's called the setting brush. Looks like this. I'll just get a little bit from the lid, like that. Tap it off, and I just go under my eyes. I don't like baking because I feel like it dries your eyes out, so I just do a little bit of wiping. If anyone's got any suggestions of what videos they want me to do while they're in isolation, I'll be happy to do them. Next is bronzer. Now, I've got a few options for my bronzer. So, first option is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. Looks like this. And I normally use this bronzer shade, or I have Hoola bronzer, which is like this. Or I have a new edition, which I got for Christmas, which is the Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder. Now today, I think I'm going to go for the Charlotte Tilbury one. That's the one I use mostly because it gives you more definition in your cheeks, and it will give you that. I use this brush with it, which is the Real Techniques bronzing brush. It's quite old. The Real Techniques bronzing brush. Just like circle, tap off, and then do that face, and then just like rub it in, innit? However much you like. I mean, I like it quite natural because I do like my skin to show through, because I like my freckles to show. But also at the moment, because my skin is like really red, I am using a bit more coverage than normal. But normally, you know, my nose normally don't really have that much, because that's where my freckles are majority. So just rub that in, nice and contoured. Do the same with the other cheek. Now I put a bit just on my nose like that, and then I lightly go over my hairline just to make my skin look more in unison, really. Yeah, a bit in there, a bit there, a bit there, a bit here, you know, just to make everything look more seamless. Woo! Right, done. Oh, one step I forgot was my lip oil. This is a lip oil from Kiko Milano. It's in the shade 3. Yeah, and I use this when I'm doing my makeup to keep my lip moisturised. So if I want to wear a lipstick that's matte, then they're not going to get dry. Done. Right, next is my highlighter. I've got a few options for this as well. So I got this Becca highlighter, which I got for Christmas, and it's in the shade Champagne Pop. Then the next one I got was this highlighter from Pure, maybe, P-U-R it says, and it's from M&S, and I got it in an advent calendar that I got for Christmas. Or I used the other side of my Charlotte Tilbury colour, which is that one. Today I'm going to use the pearl one, I think. So let me grab my highlighting brush. So my highlighting brush is from Sigma, and it's a high cheekbone highlight FO3 brush. And what I like to do is, let me get my mirror ready, otherwise I can't see. No. What I like to do is just swirl the product about, tap it off, and on the high points of my cheeks, I like to just apply it there, a bit on my brow bone. I like the dewy look, so I like to look more glowy than, like, you know, anything really, to be honest. That's why I don't really use much powder, just my eyes, because they crease and it, not nice. Look at that glow. Popping girl. Right, anyway, so next, like, bit on my Cupid's bow, pop, and then a bit on my inner corner on my eyes, just to give that a bit of pop too. And then, so that's done for that. Next is my eyebrows, which is the least favourite part of my makeup look, because they just always go wrong. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Benefit Browsings in shade 3. It's like a pomade and a powder, comes like this. Basically, I won it in a competition like last year, and I've been using it since then, and it's quite good, you know. If I was to buy it myself, I probably would buy a shade 4, just because the powder is a bit too light for my eyebrows. So shade 4, the powder will probably be a lot better, but the gel is alright, so that's good. Obviously at the moment can't get my eyebrows done because the eyebrow lady's not working, it's closed, so you know, just a bit of improvisation here. And I just like to outline my eyebrows. I don't like to do them very heavy, because I like it to look like natural, like I've got full eyebrows naturally, like, yeah. Then I do get a bit of the powder, but only a little, just because it does help set the powder, but if I put too much, it does make my eyebrows look a bit ashy, which I don't really like. So moving on to the next eye, we're doing that flick of that brow. Someone's just come upstairs, I can hear them. Oh, what's that on my eye? Something naughty. My mum just spoke to me, she said she's going to go for a walk. I'm probably going to join them. Right, the last step is... Oh wait, I forgot that powder. Sauce. Right, put that on there. Right, the last step of my everyday makeup routine is my eye mascara. My mascara is the one, this is the one I use. This is the Maybelline Big Colosso mascara. And oh, Big Colosso Shot. And I love it. Oops, I dropped it. Oh. Right, so I curl my eyelashes first with this Skinny Dip eyelash curler, which I got in the Secret Santa last year. Brilliant. So I love it because it's pink and pretty. Even though pink's not my favourite colour, it's lilac, but I love this. I'm going to curl the eyelashes. Make sure they're nice and curled for the mascara. Mum, can you wait for me? I'll be about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. About 2 minutes. Right, that's my eyelashes all curled. Now I just add the mascara. I like to wipe it off though because a lot comes out on the brush. So I just like to do little fluttery motions up. I like to look down and then brush up. Or you get it under your eye, which I just did. Or on your nose, which I just did. Why am I such a mess? Oh no. Oh, look at me. Oh, Jesus. I'll sort that out. Right, and the next eye, we're going to put some mascara on. Okay, so I've done my mascara. Now I'm going to fix that thing on my nose because it don't look great. So I've got a bit of that NARS concealer. Put it in the area I don't like. And then I just blend it out with my fingers. I like using my fingers for concealer. I went off Beauty Blender to be honest, so yeah. So that's my completed everyday makeup look. I would also maybe add a bit of lipstick, but I'm not really going anywhere specific today, so yeah. And you know, sometimes if I was going to the restaurant, maybe I'd add a bit of eyeshadow, but yeah, that might be for another video. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed my makeup. You know, if you want, I'll link all the products in the description bar below so you can have a look. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video with all your family and friends. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.